Is the Mellow Sleep CloudAlign Pillow really the sleep upgrade everyone online is talking about, or is it just another viral product riding the wave of TikTok hype? In this Mellow Sleep CloudAlign Pillow review for 2025, the pillow has gained huge attention after becoming one of the platform's top-selling sleep products, largely because of its ergonomic design and memory foam structure that promises better neck alignment, deeper sleep, and reduced morning stiffness. The CloudAlign Pillow features a contoured shape that is designed to support the natural curve of the neck while keeping the spine in a more neutral position, something many people look for when dealing with neck pain or poor sleeping posture. Many users say the memory foam feels soft at first but still firm enough to hold its shape through the night, which can be helpful for back and side sleepers who want consistent support rather than a pillow that flattens after a few hours. However, not all feedback is glowing. Some buyers mention that the pillow can feel slightly too firm during the first few nights and takes time to adjust to, while others expected a more dramatic improvement in sleep quality based on the viral marketing. Shipping experiences also appear mixed depending on the seller, with some customers receiving the product quickly while others reported longer delivery times. The refund policies vary depending on where it is purchased, so buyers should always read the terms carefully before ordering. In terms of build quality, the materials appear similar to many standard ergonomic memory foam pillows already on the market, which raises the question of whether the CloudAlign Pillow is truly revolutionary or simply well marketed. Overall, the Mellow Sleep CloudAlign Pillow doesn't look like a clear scam, but it also may not be the miracle sleep solution some of the viral ads suggest, making it one of those products that might work well for some people, while leaving others wondering if the hype set expectations a little too high.